Hey, it's me. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm saying. All right, guys, I'm just trying to let Paulie out for the first time. He's kind of used to the place a little bit, and I think it's time. Oh, look, guys, hold on. Look at this. That's my boy right there. See you later, bro. You have a good time without me. Paulie, are you out yet, buddy? You're still just hanging. Oh my gosh, you went back to bed. Hey, buddy.
Oh, hello.
You gotta get over your fear of cameras. I don't know, guys. I don't know how this is gonna work.
Oh.
I don't quite know what that was about.
5 minutes later.
They call me El Duce. Hey, homie, you need to chill. You need a chill pill, homie. You need one of them good ones. What they call it in the hood? Ah, heroin. To be honest, bro, I think the training's going well right now. Like, he's staying on the counter. He's just kind of chilling. Step up. Let's go to bed. Go home, homie.
2 very boring minutes later.
We're gonna get Natiri out. This is always a joy.
Montage.
It's not going too well. She's very excited right now. She's all up in the cage. I'm gonna leave you right there, girl, okay? I'm gonna leave you right there. Just don't move. You remind me of my friend Preston. He never really talked much, but he always listened. That's my baby. And her glory. Say goodnight, Natiri. Oh no. Peace!
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.